want to give you my 2 cents worth about the new Hero GoPro 10. I'm not real computer savvy. Bought the camera thinking, oh, GoPro's been a pretty decent product. I've had a lot of their cameras going back almost 10 years. So I bought this camera, and to my dismay, you have to have a codec on your computer to read any of the videos. I tried everything. I guess they want 99 cents. I don't have a Microsoft account, so I tried to go through my Google account. That didn't work. I've had this camera for over 2 months. I still can't get any of the videos off of it. It's recording in a format that the older computers I own will not recognize. Plus, if I plug this camera in, it overheats to the point where you can't even touch it. So basically I spent $400 on a pile of garbage I can't use. I got on GoPro, tried to find some answers. That didn't help. So basically I have $400 worth of boat anchor here. It's absolutely worthless. Very disappointed in it. You would think GoPro would at least advise people, if you buy this camera, you're going to have some codec add-on to your computer. They don't give it to you. They don't tell you how to get it. And like I said, for 99 cents, I cannot access this through Microsoft because I don't have a Microsoft account. And it won't recognize, like I said, Google. So basically I've got this lousy camera that must have some videos in it, but I have no idea how to get them out. If somebody out there has an idea, great. If you're thinking of buying a GoPro 10 and you got an older computer, I'd suggest don't do it. The old GoPros work just fine. Pretty disappointed, and getting tech support from GoPros like pulling teeth. They're just worthless. So anyway, that's my 2 cents worth. Stay away from the GoPro 10. Buy an old used camera. You'll be much happier, and it still works just as well as anything that GoPro's throwing out there now. Their latest, greatest improvements, junk as far as I'm concerned.